Everyone will love these French thin pancakes called crêpes. Here are the ingredients. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. First, sift the flour. Add a good pinch of salt and mix. Add the eggs. Mix all together very well. Then add the milk little by little. Whip vigorously. You get a liquid pancake batter. Let sit for at least 2 hours at room temperature. Mix again the batter and add 40 grams of melted butter. Mix all together. Cook the crepe over medium heat. For the first pancake, let the pan heat and put a little butter. Drop a ladle of dough and spread it well. Cooked between 1 minute and 1 minute and a half for each side. Et voilà! Always mix your batter before cooking a new pancake. Simply use a spatula to flip the pancakes. Enjoy with sugar, jam, fruits or chocolate. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you in my next homemade dish.